Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with MetLife Dental easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect with MetLife Dental, begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the MetLife Dental website URL. Press the Enter key to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, look for the Login or Register option, typically found at the top right corner. If you are an existing user, click on the Login option. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. Click on the Sign In button to access your account. If you are a new user, locate the Register option and click on it. Fill in the required personal information to create your account. Follow the prompts to verify your identity and set your password. After successfully registering, return to the login page. Enter your new credentials and sign in to your account. Once logged in, navigate to the dental section for information and services. Here you can find details about your dental plan, claims, and providers. If you need assistance, scroll to the bottom of the page and look for the Contact Us link. Click on Contact Us to view various methods for reaching customer support. This may include phone numbers, email addresses, and live chat options. Choose the method that best suits your needs and reach out for further assistance. You are now ready to explore and utilize MetLife Dental services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.